Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make cashew cookies. This is a perfect snack for Christmas season. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. To this add half cup of powdered sugar and half cup of cooking oil. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Make sure the powdered sugar is well spread. Now all the ingredients have come together very well and we have the perfect cookie dough consistency. So pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and we can easily get the cookie shape. Likewise, place all the cookies in the cookie tray. Now to a mixer jar, add 3 tablespoons of cashews and pulse it a few times to get a coarse powder. Sprinkle the cashew crumbs on the cookie dough. It's all set now and ready to get baked. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our cookies are out from the oven. Give it a 10 minutes rest time and you can enjoy them right away with your family and friends. Very easy to make and a very healthy snack. So do try this cashew cookie recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.